Do you know the difference between because and due to? We use them both to talk about reasons and results, but there are some differences. Stay tuned at the end of the video and there'll be a quiz. The main difference is that because is a conjunction, while due to is a preposition. The conjunction because connects two parts of a sentence and shows the reason for something. For example, I was tired because I stayed up late. We canceled the picnic because it was raining. Due to is a preposition and it shows the reason for something, but it's used in more formal contexts. For example, the meeting was postponed due to technical issues. The match was canceled due to heavy rain. We use both because and due to show cause and effect. They show why something happened or did not happen. Let's look at some examples. She was happy because she got a promotion. She was happy due to her promotion. Do you see the difference between those two? If not, it's okay. Let's keep looking at more examples. His success is because he works hard. His success is due to his hard work. Look at the words after because or due to. What do you see there? You'll understand by the end of the video. Where do we put because and due to in a sentence? Well, here's another similarity because you can put both because and due to either at the beginning or the middle of a sentence, not at the end. Here's some more examples. I'm learning French because I love the language. Because I love the language, I'm learning French. Notice how you have to put a comma when because is at the beginning of the sentence. The trip was canceled due to the weather. Due to the weather, the trip was canceled. As you can see, there's also a comma in the second example for due to because it's at the beginning of the sentence. Well, what about the structure? When we're writing, the structure is very important. Remember, because is the subordinating conjunction, so we have to use a clause after it. A clause is a group of words and it always has a subject and a verb. They stayed home because they were sick. What is the clause in this sentence? They were sick. They is the subject, were is the verb, and it follows because. After due to, we have a noun or a noun phrase. That's because due to is a preposition. The similar example, the traffic jam was due to an accident on the highway. An accident. That is the noun phrase. You cannot have a subject and verb after due to. And you cannot have a noun after because. Now, when you're speaking, we typically use the word because, and it's more common than due to. We use because in both formal and informal contexts, but due to is usually just in more formal contexts. Are you ready for the quiz? Please take a minute and look at these examples. Pause if you need time. Number 1, he missed the bus, waking up late. What's the answer? Due to. He missed the bus due to waking up late. Number 2, he missed the bus, he woke up late. What's the answer? Because. He missed the bus because he woke up late. Number 3, they succeeded, they planned well. The answer is because. They succeeded because they planned well. Number 4, they succeeded their careful planning. The answer is due to. They succeeded due to their careful planning. Number 5, the concert was postponed. The singer was ill. The concert was postponed because the singer was ill. And 6, last one. The concert was postponed. What's the answer? Due to the singer's illness. Very good. Make sure to like and subscribe for more English lessons like this one. Can you write a sentence with because or due to? Write it in the comments below and we'll check it for you.